So you said that you had 900 yards and 6 touchdowns, right?
Mm-hmm.
Let's roll the clips. First clip we got, walk me through this play. What was going on right here, man? You came up the middle.
Man, when I was just, right before this, I got it wasn't the TFL, but it was a play that wasn't the best. And I was like, I got better. So when I got the ball, I just ran, and when I realized I was still up, I just kept driving my feet like my coach has been telling me. Personally,
Okay.
I know everybody's gonna say this, but they feel like they're the best in the conference, but I feel like I'm at least top 3 running backs in the conference.
The next clip right here, let's see. I really liked it, this clip. The patience, being able to cut, make a move, breakaway speed, man, I see you, man, okay.
This was a nerve-wracking play. This is actually my first touchdown. That was my first touchdown of the season.
See, this is the confidence I was talking about. Being able to make nothing out of something, you know? Oh, come here, drop the
Yeah.